Hi there, students. Girth. Girth is a noun. It can also be a verb. Let's see, the girth of something is the circumference of it, the perimeter, the distance around the middle. So the girth of the tree was so great I couldn't get my arms around it. They didn't touch when I put my arms around it. A marble column can be beautiful if the ratio between its height and its girth are correct. Now, we often use girth to refer to somebody's waistline, to their stomach, especially a fat person. So I have problems buying trousers because of my girth, because I'm so fat. I get upset about people making jokes about my girth. He's a man of great girth. Big, long way round. Okay, so girth, it's saying fat. That's what it means. Okay, we can also use girth to mean a leather strap that goes around the middle of an animal. You know, if you put a saddle on a horse, you've got a leather strap that you fix underneath. This is the girth, and this goes round the girth of the animal. Yeah, so a strap to hold a saddle in place or to hold baskets in place round a horse or a donkey. Now, I also think you can use this word girth figuratively to talk about scope. So the girth of this project means we are going to need a lot of people to do it. The girth of the COVID problem is so great that it has affected everyone all over the world. So, as scope, the range. Now, we can use girth as a verb, I said, and this means to encircle, to go around the outside of. So, the castle is girthed by a deep moat. It's like this water thing. And it is also girthed by a high wall. So these go round the outside of it. The M25 motorway girths London. Okay, so it goes round the outside of it. A corset girthed me to reduce the size of my girth. Okay, so girth, the measurement round the perimeter of something. We need an iron bar of significant girth. Girth also means a person's waistline, especially a fat one. And then the girth, the strap to hold a saddle or baskets in place on a horse or a donkey, and that part that goes round, the animal that goes round. And then we have to girth something as a verb, to go round the perimeter of. The president was girthed by a wall of security guards. So, next question, formality. I think I would only give this word a 5 in formality. I don't think it's a very commonly used word, but I think it's flexible and you can use it just about anywhere. You could use it in an informal conversation and in a formal document. I think it's a good choice of word because it's slightly unusual as well. And then what about the origin? Well, in Middle English there was a word girth, and that came from a Norse word, giodo, and that in turn from Proto-Indo-European gird, to encircle, to enclose, or a belt. So the girth, the distance round the middle. To girth, to go round the outside of. He's a man of girth, he's fat. Yeah? Okay, so there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel. There is a great girth of possible videos, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Girth.